Switching from T-Mobile to Xfinity Mobile is straightforward. Key steps include 1. Ensure your T-Mobile account is active and in good standing, no outstanding bills. 2. Obtain your T-Mobile account PIN, or the last four digits of your SSN if you don't have a PIN. This is needed for porting. 3. Do not cancel your T-Mobile service until the porting process is fully complete to avoid losing your number. Xfinity Mobile's Port Now feature in their app simplifies initiating the transfer, usually completing within 24 hours with a success rate of over 95% as of September 2025. To set up Xfinity Mobile service after switching from T-Mobile, follow these key steps. First, check device compatibility on xfinity.com/mobile. Most modern phones like iPhones and Samsung Galaxy models are compatible. Next, order a SIM kit online. Shipping is free. During activation, select the option to port your number from T-Mobile. Once the SIM arrives, insert it into your phone and follow the app prompts. Full activation typically takes 1 to 2 hours after porting is initiated. Before swapping SIMs, back up your contacts and data using Google Drive or iCloud. Note that Xfinity Mobile is a prepaid service operating on Verizon's network, offering reliable coverage, especially when bundled with Xfinity Internet or TV services.